$2 for a hamburger? Oh, thank you.
That looks delicious.
Oh, yeah. It's so good.
Thank you, Daddy.
Oh, thank you. What is this?
It's a hamburger.
It's a hamburger. $2?
$2 for a hamburger.
That's kind of pricey.
A sandburger.
Is it money?
Oh, that's money right there? Can I have some juice?
Okay.
Oh, I know where the juice is. It's in here. Here's the juice. You can pour us each a cup of juice out of there. Pour it into my cup. Oh, thank you.
That looks delicious. Can I have some juice too?
Good, very good.
Ah, thank you, Aiden.
And now we want some French fries. Got any French fries?
Okay. Just French fries.
Oh, yummy, yummy.
These look like French fries. Here's a bunch of French fries. Give those to Daddy.
There you
Oh, thanks.
They're supposed to hand
The customer service here is amazing.
chocolate.
And chocolate, please. Thank you.
I'd like some leaf pie. Leaf pie. You got any leaf pie? This is the kind I want. How much is this? $1 or 50 cents? You know? How much does this cost? 50 cents? He doesn't have concept of money yet.
No, I think he's more into just giving away leaf
Yeah,
pie
yeah.
as opposed to selling it.
Have you ever had him pay for stuff? Give him the money and have him go up and ask somebody for something?
Yeah, he does that.
Does he like doing it?
He prefers just taking it without giving money. Say bye-bye. That's garbage. Thank you.
Oh,
Okay.
a leaf just fell.
Say bye-bye, Aiden.
Bye-bye, Aiden.
Oh, okay.